What is connection? Is it walking in the rain to be reminded? Is it hearing and seeing like a rare and precious jewel, a chaffinch on a branch? Fox is hungry, walking. Fox is shaman, each tree concealing, shielding him. Each whisper prompts his gaze, each scent tempts his inquiring nose. Fox is all desire. Four walls, closed doors, living her life on 2 floors, like tweezers, modernity plucked at her soul. She laughed, holding the flowers she'd picked, bare feet by the tree where she learnt to be free, loving her life in the wild. Happy now you're by her side, nature, showing her how to be whole. Hi, I'm Katie and I'm the owner and director of Courage Copse Creatives CIC. I also work part-time at Bideford Library. This project grew out of lockdown. The library's all closed and so I was working at home. We were a few weeks behind some of the other countries in Europe, and already people had started noticing that because of lockdown that it was giving the upper hand to nature. So I wanted to come up with a project that helped people reconnect with nature and also reconnect with their community where we were all isolated in our homes. And Plantations of Poems is the result of that. So I used the location app, What 3 Words, and I came out into this section of the woodland and I literally went round to the trees with the location app and stood there and found the 3 words that tied specifically to each tree. And I then invited members of the community to contact me to ask for those 3 words, and I asked them to write a poem in whatever format on any subject that used those 3 words and return them to me. And I had 66 requests for words and 57 poems were submitted. The poems have been astonishingly good. I've been blown away with how fantastic they are. And we've had young people as young as I think 6 is the youngest, and it goes all the way up to, I haven't asked how old. So once all the poems are attached to the trees, then it's going to be opened to the public, and we're opening on the 1st of October, which is National Poetry Day. But also what's so lovely when you're in a plantation is that the distance between trees is actually socially distanced. The project's been made possible with partnership with Libraries Unlimited, the Fab Lab up in Barnstable and Evolve, and then obviously Courage Copse Creatives as well. So there's been a real coming together of different organisations to make the project possible, and all of it has been done during lockdown. Suddenly, the forest awoke. Birds chirping, bees buzzing, breeze blowing, water running, ferns uncurling, flowers blooming, and a canopy of leaves clogging the sunlight. The enemy's nearing, our lookouts yelled. Sneering, I said, come on guys, show some grit. But an alien fleet, they've got tripods for feet, and one huge eye completing the kit. More and more an island, tide-bound, unreachable, sparrow bones waiting, whispers yours. Wish we could be together again. When time forgets, all good intention will slip away into the forest like a tiger.